Welcome back. Once your basic integrations are set up, you are then ready to begin creating campaigns. And we're going to start the process by clicking Create New Campaign. And you'll notice here that you have, as of the recording of this video, 10 templates. There may be more or less when you are actually going through this process. You'll also notice that upviral has labeled each one of these campaigns as easy, advanced, or more difficult. Now, so that we can understand the features, we are going to work through the custom campaign. So we're going to click on Create a Custom Campaign. Once we click on Custom Campaign, you'll then be given an overview on how this campaign template works. And this is basically a description. There is nothing really clickable in this area. What you're then going to do is start with the rewards section. And in some cases, you can just skip straight to the rewards once you understand how upviral works. Now you're going to have two sets of rewards that you can set up here. You can set up an incentive reward or you can set up a grand prize reward. Now if we choose the incentive reward, we will be adding a specific kind of incentive inside of upviral. And you'll see here that upviral gives us the choice of giving a customer who wins our incentive a coupon code, a specific file to download, a link to a URL, or some other kind of reward. Let's assume that we are going to give the person who gets the incentive a multi-use coupon. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this a multi-use coupon, and we're then going to give the customer a coupon code when they win the incentive. What we then need to do is we need to decide on how many points will be needed by the customer in order to unlock the reward. So in this case, we're going to state that it's going to take 5 points to unlock the reward. And we're going to give the incentive a name, knowing that the customer and prospect will be able to see this particular name. Once we have chosen our incentive type and we have written in the information, we're then going to click Save Incentive. We can also add on additional incentives. So assuming that the participant gets another reward with additional points, we can write that incentive in also. So we click on Add Incentive. We're then going to link to a specific URL. We're then going to determine how many points will be needed in order to unlock this reward. And in this case, we're going to make it more than the other incentive that we already started. We are going to give that incentive a name, and we're going to save that incentive. So now we have an incentive that will be unlocked with 5 points and another incentive that will be unlocked after 10 points. In addition to these incentives, we can add in a grand prize. So we can state that the most points from an individual will win a grand prize. So we're going to state that it's going to be the most points, even though we can also choose the grand prize winner at random, or we can just choose the individual ourselves. But for the sake of this video, we're going to choose most points win. We can then choose how many winners we're going to have. So for example, we can say that we're going to have 2 winners, and we're then going to set the date at which we choose the winners. We can decide that once the winner has been chosen, since the most points win, we can close the campaign. And the campaign will close automatically. We're then going to name the grand prize. So we have 2 individuals with the most points that will get the grand prize. We're then going to click Submit. And we now have the rewards of our basic campaign set up. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.